So here we are on the north end of Anna Maria Island. It's definitely a little bit quieter than over on the south end. A lot of residences here, a lot of people that live here full time, and also some really cool shops and restaurants that we'd love to show you guys a little bit more about. Follow us. So what I love about the north end of Anna Maria Island, not only is it going to be the highest prices on the island because it's the most desired, but it's also got a really beautiful view, a 360 view of the ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. So what's fantastic about this, it's a great investment opportunity for lots of our clients. What they love about it is that they can actually vacation here when they want. They can live here full round, of course, but if they'd like to go back north or go back to another location internationally, they can rent it out short term. So there's some different restrictions in different parts of the island where you can rent for 1 to 7 days, or you can rent up to 30 days, 60 day, 90 day. So you want to make sure that you talk to a qualified realtor in the area that can let you know what are the rental restrictions per location, because it actually varies almost by street. So you want to make sure, depending on what your goals are and what kind of investment property and how often you plan to rent it, you want to make sure you talk to someone local who can give you the details. So one of my favorite restaurants in town is the Waterfront, which is located right here on the north end of Anna Maria. Absolutely love it. Not only does it have views of the water and the pier, but also the food and the cocktails are fantastic. So on date night or something special anniversary, that's definitely where my husband and I are going to go for a great dinner. Now, as far as hotels go, you're not going to find anything large, anything over 3 stories here on the island. So you're not going to find any big chains, any Hiltons, any Hyatts, anything like that. But there's tons of Airbnbs and private rentals. You can rent a house that's got 8 bedrooms if you'd like. Bring your entire family down to really get to enjoy the area. So that's really readily available. I will say during different times of the year that the prices are going to change too. So if you're here during the peak times, just be prepared. It's going to be pretty expensive, and there's lower inventory during those times in the season between January and April. But other times of the year, they're pretty regularly available. And again, this is Jennifer Kenna with the Jennifer Kenna Home Selling Team. We'd love to show you guys around the island, maybe even do some private tours of homes so you can see what's available as far as having an investment property for yourself, or maybe even just coming down for a couple of days with your family for a rental.